Meghalaya Power Minister Prestone Tynsong on Wednesday assured that load shedding will be temporary and will not be for more than 1 hour a day. Tynsong told reporters that the water level of the Umiam Lake has come down, therefore load shedding is inevitable. He said the government has no other option but to resort to load shedding for at least 1 hour a day. Stating that the state is now dependent on the Mintu Leshka power project, Tynsong said in view of this, the government has also buy power from outside to meet the demand of the state. Meanwhile, the Deputy Chief Minister informed that expression of internet has been floated for setting up of solar plants in the state.
Only in Leshka. So we have less supply. The load shedding is not much. Maximum one day is only 1 hour.
Yeah.
So I appeal, I request all the consumers to bear with the government or Umiam Lake. The water level is totally down. And then we are totally dependable only in Leshka. So we have less supply of power. Ultimately we have to buy. We have to buy, as I said, to 11 rupees, 12 rupees, whereas we are selling at the rate of 6 rupees. You need to understand the losses that MECL has to bear.
Even